And just like that, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Yes, unfortunately, you guys saw the title, you saw the thumbnail. We can't keep every single car. Unfortunately, today we are selling another one. Now, unfortunately, the car we're selling today is one of the coolest cars we've had on the channel. We've actually had two of these cars on the channel, and a third one is coming very soon. I think I've said too much without quite saying enough. You guys know what car we're selling today. So Ryan is gonna be here in about 25 minutes. Ryan bought my Ford Shelby Raptor. He also owns my old C8 Corvette, and I realized we could start moving furniture right now, or we could just wait till Ryan, because Ryan's really strong and, well, clearly. Now we have a very special celebrity guest on today's episode. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Mr. Lambo Jesus, grabbing the detail spray. You've been here for like 8 minutes, already giving the old spit shine.
For $8 an hour, you can have me too.
Oh, okay, wait, we're paying you?
Yeah, you're,
I don't think I was in the contract. I don't remember signing a deal like
you pay
that.
me in Prime, actually.
Okay,
so
there
Prime.
we go. I mentioned I'm moving and the whole squad shows up. The strongest guy in Utah. I got 2 dirty mattresses.
Okay.
I got some couches. So
Okay.
yeah, you're the guy.
I got you.
Gabe
Important,
legit
yeah.
just asked what the U-Haul
Is
is
this a
for.
new
I said I
purchase?
have mattresses and a couch. You said
Well, I
yes,
thought you
you're
had
ready.
2 trucks.
No, I got
my
one truck.
gosh.
I got you here. I got one guy. That's all I
got-
need.
okay,
We've been
okay.
waiting for you. We could have moved all that 30 minutes ago, but we knew Gabe was showing up, so we've just been chilling. We've just been chilling, waiting for these guys. Get it, I insist. I know you're looking for a Bugatti, but honestly, you'd look better in a Veyron. The Chiron you look good in, but there's a pink chrome Veyron that has your name on it. We could sell 2 cars today.
There we go, let's
Ryan
do it.
could buy a car, you could buy a car, everybody gets a car. Yogi, what are you buying today? How's the Ferrari?
I want the.
I just got a letter from Ferrari about your car, by the way.
a cease and desist.
Yeah, no, I'm
No.
serious. I honestly did. I legit got a letter from Ferrari. I did. So look who it is, looking so good, bro. Where are your New Balances? Where are your jorts?
So we
you got the mold. You got the gold chain.
We got the Odysseys though today.
No,
The
New
Off-Whites.
Balances.
Oh,
You're buying. You know what you're
I
buying.
forgot.
You really do have the best friends. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 guys to help me move. We only have 2
This is
couches,
incredible.
guys. Look, the whole crew came. This is
I'm honestly
amazing.
just grateful to be here to help with it. You know.
Yeah, no. Yeah, you're not buying a car today.
No,
you're moving
I
a
hate
couch.
cars. I
You're
hate
moving,
cars.
You're moving
No,
a couch.
no, yeah.
Off camera, Yogi just said maybe the most disgusting thing I've ever heard in my entire life. Do you need to repeat it for the audience?
These doors are almost as cool as a Tesla Model X.
So Yogi, you can leave now. You can get out of here, and you can get out of this car. Wow.
It's a joke.
Car
Car
So
enthusiasts
Yogi, you
everywhere.
guys don't know this. He has a Tesla, and the license plate is gas LOL. He's one of those guys. So I actually did get a letter from Ferrari. There's a recall on your car. That's it. You're
We'll
fine.
take
You're
it.
fine. You're not going to jail. I don't think you do well in jail.
I don't think I'd
I
handle
don't think you do well. I wouldn't do well in jail either. Yep, keep coming. All my most valuable possessions are in there, Alex. Oh my gosh, we almost nearly lost Kyle. He's like a managing director too. You're like the pool noodle between the house and the U-Haul, right, Kyle?
Exactly.
This is absolutely amazing right now. We realized we could put everything through the garage door, but we have that deck right there. It's gonna be a million times easier. Look at this band of warriors who've all come to help me. This is unbelievable. Wow, they have been working out. You guys are looking fresh. Oh, thank you.
The
This is
king.
amazing.
the king
Wow, I
is
did not
known.
expect this. I don't even have to do anything. This is actually kind of sort of incredible. I was really joking, but sure enough, these Idaho boys, I'm telling you, trick or treat, check my feet. Nice feet. You guys don't realize, but when you stay here in the future, you'll be sleeping on this mattress, so it actually makes sense. It really does.
It's only fair.
Unbelievable. Look at that. We're getting furniture, boys. I think the funniest part about this, they just said that mattress was heavy. Wait until they get the next one. This is the actual mattress of death right here. It's the floppy purple mattress. If these guys can master this mattress, they're going to open up a Four Brothers moving company. Unbelievable. Literally, they're actually like 4 brothers. 3 brothers. Where's the 4th brother? Gabe, you can be the 4th brother.
I have a sister.
Someone's getting crunched right there. We do not want to lose one of the 4 brothers. We're going to have to change the name to 3 Brothers Movie.
Got it.
Okay, this is incredible. This is honestly amazing. That mattress is dead.
Torturing
That
these
is
guys.
dead. Alex and I moved that mattress into the truck and we nearly died. Well, 18 minutes later and 1 brother lost, the floppy mattress has made it to the 2nd story where it will spend the entirety of its life. If we ever get rid of this thing, we're actually burning it. To the right, guys. Right there to the right. I should sell more cars more often. This is amazing. Are you ready to finally get your car?
Oh yeah, I'm not ready to go
We
to
still
the
have
gym.
2 couches. Let's go get
the couches.
Yeah, couches
Let's
first.
go get the
Couches first. Gabe's just chilling down there doing nothing, bro. What's happening? go. He's the supervisor. There always has to be one supervisor. This looks pretty comfy right here. Oh, yeah, this is not bad. My chariot awaits me. This is incredible. I am 160. How do you know that? Well, all the moving is done, so Ryan, I guess we can officially actually sell you a car.
The Jeep Gladiator?
No. Every time I see Ryan, he always wants to buy my Gladiator. You already know what Ryan is buying. We have been talking about this for a long time. It started off as a joke when we sold Yogi the Ferrari, and now it's happened. It's in the Bat Cave, and Gabe. I don't know how this always happens. We got Gabe, our chief electrical engineer, our elevator engineer.
I did not go to school for this.
And he's not getting paid for this either. Sorry, I don't have the resources. So I'm pretty sure everybody knew what Ryan was buying, dude. Congratulations.
I'm excited.
The Pandem wide body C8 Corvette. It turned out absolutely amazing. So Ryan had the wheels powder coated white.
Shout out to Clayton.
Clayton got the wheels powder coated white, and they turned out so good. I should have done this. Why didn't I have powder coat the wheels white? So I really didn't want to sell this car, but here's the problem, guys. Find the key. I don't know where it is, but somewhere in there is a Corvette key. I don't know. It has gotten completely out of control. Oh wow. Okay. I see what you're doing. Okay. Honestly, where is the C8 key? It's right here. Is it actually here? Okay. I didn't know. I lose keys every single day. You guys know this is one of the best sounding cars I've owned. The FI exhaust C8 Corvette. Let's go! Oh my gosh! I have new neighbors. We got the shot. That is unreal. I am honestly gonna miss this car so much. The Rapid Blue, now with the white wheels. Like these two cars together, they actually look like Hot Wheels cars. You're a Corvette guy. You own two Corvettes. Let that sink in.
Stay tuned. We're gonna do some silly reels.
I'm still blown away with how cool this car is. Like surrounded by hypercars, it honestly fits right on in. And this wide body, kids, you guys know my Z06 Corvette is gonna be here very soon. And honestly, I think I want to wide body it. This is actually the most embarrassing thing ever, but unfortunately the cars are so low to the ground, all we could do is get some junky wood right now. You're good. This is my life, Alex. This is what my life has come to. Wow, this is not good. That is not, wow. Okay, hold up. It was fun in theory, it didn't work. So full disclosure, it's your front end, okay? If you damage it, it's on you. It's not my car anymore. You're good. You're totally good. No, you're fine. Keep it coming. No biggie.
Last time we had a 30-day warranty. What happened?
Yeah, no, the 30-day warranty. No, not on this car, bro. Alex never misses. That man never misses. And neither does Kyle. 3 cars together. This is definitely my favorite car of all the cars. This is the car. What? And Gabe looking so good. That car looks so good. Bro, you look like $1 million with the mullet too. Let's see it. Go. These 3 cars together with the white wheels, the white wheel army in full strength right now. Oh my gosh. Unbelievable. I love that car so much. Well, I'd like to give a massive shout out to Mr. Lambo Jesus. He blew out my right eardrum. Lamborghini Aventador, 6.5 liter V12, arguably the best sounding car in the world. That's right, CGT owners. That's right, LFA owners. Aventador all day, every day. We got the shot. Goodness, people are trying to work right now. Just no respect nowadays. Like there are people trying to work and Alex won't stop revving.
Arizona guy, you know?
I know, these Arizona guys, you give them a V12 Lamborghini, they're just the same because he has one. I don't even know what to say anymore.
I'm
What's
telling
going
you.
on? This is what happens when you have 2 Corvettes. 1 Corvette, you're normal. 2 Corvettes, you've gone full blown. Wow, and the belt buckle.
This is just the upgraded part.
How do I get on your level?
You You're there.
No,
You just need to
no.
purchase them.
I can rock that car. I can't rock that. This has to be one of the more wild send-offs. You're definitely the best looking human I've ever had on camera.
We're going to
You look
dinner right now.
Yes,
Company party.
going to dinner in the Corvette. Dude, congratulations. A pleasure as always.
Appreciate you,
Safe
brother.
travels to
Okay.
Idaho.
Thanks so
We'll
much.
see you soon, dude. Oscar, buddy. Hey, Snoopa. Where'd you come from? We missed you. Yes, we did. We sold the Corvette. The Corvette is gone. I also realized that Rapid Blue is such an amazing color. We need another blue car. It's always just so hard to sell a car. As the car drives away, in a lot of ways, the memories with that car drive away too. We had so much fun in that car. We bought it in Ohio. We drove it to Tennessee. We had the car shipped back to Utah. We did the Pan Am wide body kit, and that Rapid Blue is such a fantastic color. The only reason I sold that car, I have the new Z06 on order. It should be here, I've been told, possibly in October, November, or December. By the end of the year, I think we'll have the new Z06. The spec is gonna be absolutely crazy. I'm not gonna reveal it to you guys, but the real question is that Pan Am wide body kit. I know for a lot of you guys it was controversial. I love it. Should we wide body the Z06? Let me know in the comments below, and on that bombshell, yep, today's video is over. So I know it's all about Ryan buying the C8, but Ryan is actually selling another C8 as well to his brother Drew. Can we get a handshake on camera right now? We are selling cars. Let's do it now. That counts. That counts. Right there. So Ryan just sold Drew my old C8 Corvette, which is still purple. Ryan owns the wide body. We're just making deals happen. Kyle, where's Kyle? Kyle's buying the Veyron too. On it. You see, I love that. I love commission on that one. Commission. If you buy it, you get the commission as well. Commission can be whatever you want it to be. Whatever you want it to be is the commission.
I'll help you find someone to buy it.
Okay, deal. I just want to point out how everyone is looking so swaggy right now with all the kicks. Look at these. Kyle, how much are those shoes?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. You know your wife might be watching this video and she cannot know. $1,000.